If you're wondering who Louisville's largest employers are and who employs the most people in Louisville, there's a handful of employers that employ a lot of people in Louisville. So let's go over the top employers in Louisville, Kentucky. So there's quite a few. So we're going to have, and none of these are in order, by the way, but first on the list, we're going to have the University of Louisville. They employ thousands and thousands upon people. So Ford has multiple plants in Louisville specifically, and I'm pretty sure they have a headquarters here, so they employ a lot of people, as well as Humana. Humana has headquarters in multiple different locations in Louisville, Kentucky. So that's always a good thing to note as well. Then you're going to have the Yum brands, like the Yum Center, those brands, they employ a lot of people. Obviously, Louisville Metro Government, they employ a lot of people. And, you have Marriott, you have Hilton, what else do we have? We have the Kentucky Derby, so they employ a lot of people as well. So those are some of the biggest employers in Louisville, Kentucky, and I think I'm missing one, so it might pop up and I might randomly say it. But those are some of the biggest employers in Louisville, Kentucky. And if you're looking for a good job, I would definitely reach out to one of these companies to try to see what they have available for you as well. And whenever you are looking to buy a house, these are some things that I would take into consideration when buying a property so that you can be close to where your work is or be able to relocate to another job if you are going to move. So if you move across town, you can move to an office that is closer to you so it's more convenient. So these are definitely factors that you want to keep in mind whenever you are picking a job, because nobody wants to drive 30, 40, 50 minutes to a job every single day. So whenever you are looking to buy a house, please take this into consideration. And if you have a property that you would like to sell, please reach out to us at 502-461-1450 or at LouisvilleCashRealEstate.com, and we'll be able to get you a cash offer on that property. And if you know anybody selling, we have an amazing referral program where you can make $1,750 if you have a property or know somebody who's selling a property and you refer them to us and we close on that property. So thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully this video brought you some value, and we will see you on the next video.